So I honestly believe if Apple could have a do-over on their version 1s of the AirPods, they probably would have made something like this.
I see some love. It's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love. Okay, so today I have the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2. Now Anker did send me these to review for my channel, but as always I'm going to give you my full and unbiased opinion on these earbuds. And to be completely honest with you, they are pretty dope, if I do say so myself. Going around this box on the front side, you do see it says premium call quality via 4 mics with noise reduction, diamond coated drivers, Qualcomm aptX. It has quick charge, so a 10-minute charge will give you 2 hours of playback time, 7-hour playback time on a single charge, and a total of 28 hours with the charging case. And it also has wireless charging compatibility in here. On the back side, it says premium audio clarity via diamond coated drivers, 4 mics with uplink, noise cancellation, Hear ID, personalized sound, and that is through the app, which I will get into in a little bit. Charge for 10 minutes, listen for 2 hours, compatible with wireless charging, 7 hours of playback time, 28 hours with charging case, like I said before, and fully sweat proof. And that's pretty much it for the outside of the box. On the inside of the box, it's a nice unboxing experience. You do have this magnetic tab, and when you open it up, on the left side of the box, it shows you the Hear ID app and how to set that up and everything, and gives you a little bit of information on that as well. And then over here, you do have your earbuds up top and your charging case at the bottom under this clear tab. You do have your charging case right here and has your Soundcore badge on the top, and then you also have your earbuds as well, and they are a little bit bigger if you're used to the AirPods Pro, but compared to the original AirPods, they do have this nice silicone tip, which is a lot better, and they do come in black. To me, that's just a better look overall. Underneath this, what you'll get, you have your USB Type-C charging cable. It does come with the nice cable management Velcro strap. It says powered by Soundcore, and that is a nice touch. Very good attention to detail by Anker for doing that. And then you also get some paperwork right here, documentation on various items, which I'm not going to get to. And then behind all of that, you do have your various ear tips right here. You have an extra small, small, large, and extra large, and then you have the mediums that already come pre-installed on the earbuds themselves. Okay, so very quickly before I get into talking about these earbuds, here is the Soundcore website right here, and as you can see, these earbuds are available in 2 different colors. You have your black version right here, and then you also have your white version right here. These are going on sale right now for $100 on the Soundcore website or Amazon, and I'll have the links in the description down below. One of the reasons why I wanted to bring you to this website, besides showing you the price and the colors, is that on the frequently asked questions tab at the bottom, it says, is the Liberty Air 2 waterproof? And as you can read, it says yes, the earbuds have IPX5 protection, but the charging case is not waterproof. So waterproof to me is that you can completely submerge these underwater, take them out, and they'll still be good to go. But my question is, on the box, it just says fully sweat proof. Now, waterproof and sweat-proof, in my opinion, is completely different. Sweat-proof, you're not submerging anything in water, but waterproof, you are submerging. So, Soundcore, when you watch this video, please let me know if these are indeed waterproof as opposed to sweat-proof, because I think that there is a big difference. But if you're watching this video and you know, go ahead and leave a comment down below and just let me know what the difference is, because I honestly think that it's a little bit misleading in my opinion. On this case, you will see that it is a very compact case compared to the AirPods Pro case. It is a little bit taller. It might be just as long and then a little bit wider. I don't think that you'll have any issues when it comes to the size of this case. And then on the front side, you do have these 3 indicator lights right here, which I believe there might be in 33% increments. And then underneath, you have your USB Type-C charging port, and like I said before, this is a wirelessly charging case, so if you don't want to plug anything into this, you just want to set this down on the wireless charging pad, you're good money. Now for the earbuds themselves, they are a full plastic design. You have your 4 mics on here. You have one up top on each earbud, and then you also have one on the bottom of each earbud. And as you can see, it's blinking right here. This is where the indicator light is on both sides. You do have your automatic sensors on here, so when you do take these out your ears, the music will stop, but if you put them back in your ears, you have to go back to your mobile device and press play. They will not automatically play. They do have a nice fit to them. The stem might be too long for some people, but I have no issue with it. I think they look really, really good in my opinion. And that's pretty much it for the overall construction. Oh yeah, one more thing. They also have the Soundcore on the back side, and since there are no physical buttons, I do believe that this is a touchpad as well on both sides. And then you also have a nice little accent of orangish red at the bottom right here. So that's pretty much it for the whole construction of the charging case and earbuds themselves. What you want to do when you first get these, you want to download the Soundcore app. When you first download this app, is go to your Bluetooth settings, connect them in your Bluetooth settings, and then go to the app itself, and then let me see, you'll click on the 4 squares at the left if it doesn't bring you to this page already. Click on the headphones, Liberty series, and then connect to the Liberty Air 2. On the front page, it gives you the right and the left one, and it also gives you the battery percent. If you click on the left or the right icon at the top right, you do have these 3 dots with the red dot over top, and if the red dot is over top, it means you have to update your firmware. I am not going to update this firmware for this video because I will be doing another video going into full detail about this app, so I'll do that later. And the bottom left, you do have your equalizer, and then on this equalizer is where you can set up your Hear ID. As you can see right here under equalizer, you do have your, you can go ahead and customize it to exactly where you want, and at the bottom you can hit the plus button to name various custom presets that you have. If you're more of an audiophile and you do want to have a more defined equalizer, if you think that you can do better than the personalized earphones that are set up in the app. And then underneath that you have your professional right here, and if you click on that, it says Grammy winning producers. They have various presets already in here depending on that person right there. I know none of these guys, but whatever. And then you also have default right here, and then you have different defaults already set: classical, dance, deep, electronic, flat, hip hop. You get the point. They're all right here. And then if you click on this tab at the bottom right, which is the control tab, it does give you the button functions right here. And one thing that I did notice while I was playing music with these is that Soundcore, if you do watch this, I do believe another firmware update is due for this app, is to add a single tap section in here, because I was listening to music, and yeah, I do know that the auto pause feature is on here. So if you take the earbuds out to right or left, it'll stop your music. But when you put them back in, you got to go back to your device and press play. You can hit the double tap, it will go back to the next song, but it will not continue where you left off at. So Soundcore, if you can add a single tap part in here so that you can just, when you do take these out and put these back in, go ahead and single tap and it'll restart your music from where you left off. But that's just me. I don't know, maybe there might be something inside of the earbuds themselves, hardware type, that is limiting that to be activated inside the app. But anyways, like I said before, this is where you set up all your touch functions right here. And then so that's pretty much it for the app. You got your equalizer section right here, you got your home right here, which gives you what type of earbud you're listening to. You have your 4 squares at the top left, you can change your earbuds. You have your 3 dots at the top right, update firmware, quick start guide, user manual, and then you have your controller right here, which you can set up your different button functions. I was listening to music on here, testing out the sound quality, and I did notice that my personalized Hear ID for my ears, it sounds a lot better than any other the presets that they have in here. I didn't go and test out every single preset that was in here and then listen to a song all the way through for each preset, but just clicking around inside the app and testing out each EQ preset for a brief moment, I noticed that my personalized earphone EQ was the best set for me. It might be different for you. You might be more of an audiophile and can go ahead and go in there and customize your EQ and adjust all the different levels to exactly what you want, and you might get a better sound. Also, when you're playing music, you can listen to the right or left earbud by themselves while the other one is in the case. So that's always good for if your battery is running low on one, go ahead, throw one in the case and it'll charge up and then switch out, and so that you can just get more battery life out of here. That's what I normally do. For the call quality on here, it is very similar to the Liberty 2 Pro. pros, very good call quality. I have no complaints with this 4-mic technology. You're able to get very good call quality in any environment that you're in. People on the other side will be able to hear you just fine. You will have very little ambient noise in the background. So I just believe Anker did a very good job with the sound quality on here with the 4-mic technology integrated inside of these earbuds. Now for latency, I did all the usual suspects when it comes to movie streaming services: YouTube, Disney+, Apple TV, Hulu, Netflix, and Amazon Prime Video. And I didn't notice any latency at all when I went on that. So very little or to no latency on here. If you do have these and you got latency problems on here, go ahead and feel free to check me in the comments down below. But for me, I got no problems with latency on here. And so overall, like I said at the beginning of this video, I really think if Apple had a redo on their AirPods version 1s, that they probably would have made something like this. So shout out to Soundcore. And like I said, these are only $100 if you do want some really, really good earbuds for very good price. Check these out. You have wireless charging in the case. You also have 28 hours of total playback time. USB Type-C quick charge on the bottom to give you that fast charge feature. And that's it, people. That's all I got for the Anker Soundcore Liberty Air 2s. If this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below. Especially if you made it this far, just go ahead and do yourself a favor. Do me a favor, smash that subscribe button down below. And don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech videos. As always, my name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.